reiterating what the Premier has already said, that we got an unqualified report, which we are happy about. But the Auditor General emphasized about two issues. One, it's the underspending of 6.2 million. The other one, it's the non-payment of service providers within 30 days. We are dealing with those issues. We have started the process. And then the second issue is that we are, post the World Cup, we are looking at putting what we call a competitive sports strategy, which will largely deal with the hosting of major international events. But we are also looking at launching next year what we call the Gauteng Challenge, which will be a challenge of teams that are in the PSL, our rugby teams, and cricket teams, and it will also have a marathon in it. We are also doing, we have also made progress in school sports. We have adopted a school sports strategy. We have signed an MOU with the Department of Education. We are working well. And last year, for the first time, we hosted the sports awards in the province for the first time after many years. We had the Sport Indaba. We had several other games, including the Golden Games for the old people, the old aged, yes. In terms of arts and culture, we had a carnival 2 weeks ago, attended by 17,000 people. We are busy now looking at the implementation plan of the creative industry strategy to look at how can we help the artists to contribute in the economic growth. Otherwise, those are some of the key things which we achieved.